Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find passwords and accounts. Then we have to take a look at this account for owner, and as you can see I've got my Google account added, so let's start with removing it. Let's tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. So now let's add new one. Let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just tap on next. Choose the proper option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them and learn more, and tap on Agree after reading. Here the backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Let me quickly remove it, just like at the very beginning of this video, and that's all. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.